To automatically comment videos on YouTube in Make, you're gonna need two modules. It's a simple scenario that I have over here. So first things first, you're gonna need watch of videos in a channel. For that, you're gonna need a new YouTube module and click on it. I already have my YouTube connection. Making a connection on YouTube is pretty easy. To create a connection in YouTube, you're gonna have to click Add, rename it, agree with all the terms and services, and click Sign in with Google. Here you're gonna have to click on Write email and on Write YouTube channel. Click Continue one more time. And that's it. Your YouTube channel is connected to make.com. But overall, what you're gonna need is channel ID. If you don't know your channel ID, then you can go to your YouTube, copy the URL of your channel, and click on ID Finder. And here you're gonna have to paste your channel handle. I don't need that, and I don't need that. And when I click on OK, it's gonna find my channel ID. And depending on how many videos you want to comment, you can set your limit. This time it's gonna be 26 for me. And click Save. Here you're gonna have an option from which video you can start. I'm gonna choose this time manually and click Save. Next module that you're gonna need is make an API call, as YouTube doesn't have built-in module specially for commenting. Here it is. Make sure that you have same connection that you have in your first module. So it's matching this one, and here you are gonna need URL for a command. And this is the URL that you're gonna need. I'm also gonna paste it down in the description. For method, it has to be post, because you're posting a comment. In the headers, leave content type as JSON file, and down here in body, you're gonna have to paste JSON file that looks something like this. Of course, for a video ID, you are gonna need an actual video ID from your previous video. And for text, you're gonna have to enter a comment that you want to paste in every video. So now if I run this, then here you can see a comment 22 seconds ago, where are you from? Here you can see my other comments that I tried before. So this is how you comment with YouTube API in make.com to your channel on all of your videos. Of course, you can add AI here in between. So now if I give AI this prompt with the title and click Save, and now connect it to this commenting module, then instead of text I can use results from AI and click Save. Let me choose where to start. I'm gonna also increase the limit so many videos can be commented, and let's click Run. So now as you can see, AI is creating comments and it is posting those comments on YouTube. So now if I refresh and go back to my videos, then you can see 28 seconds ago, mind blowing, blah blah blah, a comment from AI. In the next video also, and so on and so on. So this is how you can comment on your videos, also with AI, to make it a bit more interesting. It's a short trick, but might be useful if you're running a channel and you want some engagement. If you have any questions or requests, leave them down in the comments or write me an email. But for now, have a great day.